Hi, I'm joined by David Preece from Panasonic, and he's going to give us an overview of the strategy for 2013. So David, what exactly have you got in store for 2013 in terms of your strategy?
Okay, so we've got some very, very exciting products here at the show. And first of all, TV. And we are launching ranges into the growing segments of the market. So LED, massively growing, smart TV, massively growing, and large screen TV above 46-inch, massively growing. So we're launching extended lineups into those three areas. And the big development for us in the Viera lineup is on smart TV is the My Home Screen concept. So on smart TVs these days you have content from broadcast, you have content from catch-up TV, from video on demand, from external devices like hard disk drives and SD. But for a lot of consumers that's quite complicated.
Yeah.
And our mission is to make the product as simple as possible. And so what we've done with the My Home Screen concept is allow all of those sources to be available in one home screen. You can customize the screen according to the content that you commonly want to access. So for example, if I was into golf, I could have the screen customized with, let's say, my favorite websites relating to golf, with a golf channel on, for example, Eurosport, and put all of my favourite widgets all on the same home screen. That's me, but my children, of course, would like to have children's broadcast, children's catch-up TV, and those type of services available to them, so they can personalise the TV for their own favourite contents.
Yeah. Now, one of the things I noticed that has been included on some of the lineup is built-in cameras for face recognition.
That's right.
Now, I've got one quick question on this.
Yeah, sure.
Obviously, it recognises, say, my face.
Yes.
What if there's two of you sat in front of the TV? What happens then?
Okay, well, you select My Home Screen from the remote controller, and whoever is directly in front of the TV is the one that the face recognition will lock onto your face, and then change the My Home Screen to the person that's actually sitting directly in front of the TV. So that's how that operates.
There's also, I believe, voice recognition as well, voice interaction to control the TV.
That's right. So it's voice recognition, so you can scroll through any of the contents on the electronic program guide, or you can search for content on Google or Google Maps or on Google Images. Any of those you can search for content via voice recognition, and then voice guidance will actually talk back to you. So whatever it is you've said and put into the Google search bar, the television will talk back to you. So a very kind of intuitive and interactive way of communicating with the TV.
Okay. And one of the features that I really liked last year was the swipe and share feature.
Yeah.
And I understand that there's a 2.0 this year, so what improvements have you made in terms of swipe and share?
Well, that's right. So last year we could take, for example, a photograph or a piece of video content and swipe it up to the TV, and this year we can swipe back down. So, for example, I could be watching a broadcast, let's say a sports program, and I'd pause. Then I could take that image and then swipe it down to a tablet and send it off to a friend or colleague, or share it on a social network. And the other thing, of course, on our plasma TV range, we're now introducing the touch pen. So again, back to that picture of the sports content, I could annotate that and then save it for a future reference, for example, in training of sports. So those type of applications are very exciting, and sharing that content via
the pen, is that for all the plasma lineups in the UK, or just the ST50? ST60.
From ST60 upwards, that's right.
Okay, the VT60.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
And yes.
Great. So, David, that's the sort of TV lineup and some of the smart TV features.
Sure.
Moving on to the rest of the AV lineup, what else have you got in store for us in 2013?
Okay, so we're entering two big growing markets. One is the soundbar market. That market doubled last year, and we're expecting 40% growth next year, so around 370,000 units in the UK. And the important thing here is that obviously as the panels get slimmer and slimmer, it becomes more difficult to put excellent sound quality into them in the way of amplifiers and speakers. But on the other hand, the super slim panel isn't always necessarily complemented by the big box, the home cinema in a box that you've been used to with rear speakers and lots of cabling. So the soundbar is an excellent solution for that. And we're launching a really wide lineup of 6 models that really complement the slim silver bezel that's apparent on most of the LED lineup. There's various systems which you can have a soundbar which splits in half and can operate as 2 freestanding speakers as well if you want, and one particular model which is the HTB 527, which is over there, which is beautifully matching in silver stainless mesh. So perfect companion to boost the sound quality on the panels as they get super slim, like our Viera lineup is.
And so that's soundbars, also some all-in-one systems, 5.1?
Well, that's right. Well, we've had a great year on 2-channel audio. We've got some traditional systems and then our HC systems, which we've done tremendously well with in the UK market, which are our vertical systems with a nice sliding door where you can put the CD and the iPod away behind the door. But this year we add a new lineup, which is the NE series, which are streaming speakers. So we've got 3 models in the range. The NE1, which is a Bluetooth speaker to stream music from a tablet or a smartphone. The NE3, which combines Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay and DLNA all into one unit. So customer now doesn't really have to worry about what the source of the music is. You could have Android users in the house, you could have Apple users in the house, you could be streaming from a PC via DLNA. Now you don't have to worry, you can do all of those. And we've launched a new app to complement that product, which gives you seamless accessibility to all of the music in one simple app. Absolute emphasis on simplicity. Don't need to worry about what the source is or where the music's coming from. It's all available in that super app. And then at the top of the range, we've got a model called the NE5, which caters for those who still, like myself, have still kind of hung on to their CD collection. So you can stream from on Apple device, DLNA, Android, but also from a separate CD system to the speaker itself and control music around the home. So that's a range we're very excited about.
Okay, and then I guess finally, Blu-ray players. What have you got in store in terms of Blu-ray players for 2013?
Yeah, very exciting. So obviously we've done tremendously well in Blu-ray in the total market for the video and DVD. We're number 1 in value in the UK market. We've got a great lineup. The designs, again, very, very closely matching Viera, beautiful silver designs. And the technologies that we're launching in this year are UltraViolet, which means that if you buy an UltraViolet copy of a Blu-ray from a shop, it means that you're going to be able to watch the Blu-ray disc in the super 1080 high quality resolution on your screen at home, but you also can get a digital key to a digital locker, which allows you up to 6 copies of that to enjoy on the move, on your smartphone, on your tablet, and so on and so forth, all for the same price as the Blu-ray itself. So that is UltraViolet is on most of the lineup, and then on the top 2 models we have a feature called Mirrorcast, and what that does is it allows you, as the name suggests, to mirror exactly what's on your Android tablet onto the Blu-ray player, and of course project it onto the screen of your large screen TV. So you could be, for example, gaming on a tablet and then be able to display what you're gaming on the large screen. Whatever it is that you're looking at, including the operation, the interface, gaming, business software, the web, anything that you're doing here, you'll be able to project over using Mirrorcast. So that's a really great feature. And then on top of the Blu-ray lineup, we've got 2 media streaming boxes which we're launching, which will allow you to add them to a TV. For example, if you've got non-smart TVs in, for example, other rooms of the house, your bedroom, your dining room, and so forth, you can add that box to get full Viera Connect, but also mirrorcast so that you're able to use that screen as a display device for whatever it is you want to share. So you've got second screening where people are busily on Facebook, but wouldn't it be nice sometimes to be able to share what you're enjoying and share it on the large screen as a kind of more social interaction in the home? And that's the concept of mirrorcast.
Okay, great. Well, it all sounds very exciting. Thank you very much, David.
Thank you very much.